So if you want to use the Aputure MC without the app, by the way, the app is fabulous, but if you want to use it without your phone, know that you can do it very easily. You have almost the same control. There is some things you can't do without the phone, but most of the things are present just with that single rotation button. Well, you set it to on, and we've got the light. And I will switch my lights to off for the next part. So as you can see, what we have right now is the temperature and the percentage. So if I move that roller, well, the temperature go warmer down to 3200 Kelvin, and up to 6500 Kelvin. And then if we press the roller, we can adjust the intensity of the light. All right. I will turn my other lights off. Now, if we hold the roller, we got other options. So CCT is for the white light from warmer to cooler. Now, if we go to HSI, we can pick a color. So it go from 0 to 360. 360. So yeah, we pass from red to blue to green. And if you press, well, now you can choose the saturation. So it will go to white to the deepest green. You can see here. That's what I do. And if I press again, I can choose the intensity and pack to the hue, which is a color. Now I will go back to the previous menu by holding it, and we can now go to effects. From here you have the paparazzi, and if you press on it you can choose the intensity. And this is where you have fewer options than on the apps, because on the apps you can adjust the frequency of that flash. Now just with the lights you can't. You also got the fireworks. The fault bob. The TV. The TV light ambience. Put it in the face of somebody and it will look like if he is watching TV. Lightning. Just had a little bit of sound effect, and yes, it will look like if you are into a thunderstorm. Party. Yeah, just switching lights. Yeah, just switching color lights. Pulsing. And cop car. I like this one. Yeah, that one on the apps you can choose just blue, just red, red and white, or yeah, you can mix more color. Now from the lights itself, this one is the only one possible. Fire. and that's it. Otherwise, if I come back to that main menu, you've got Bluetooth, and this feature is only to reset the Bluetooth. So if you want to unpair it on your phone and want to pair it with another device, that is where you want to come. And then we go back to CCT. So you've got a white, and you can choose the intensity and the color of the white. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!